So students, open your notebook and write down 5 words. Find out the meanings of these words and note it down in your notebook or copy. So the first word is feeding trough. F-E-E-D-I-N-G, feeding trough, T-R-O-U-G-H. When the grandfather, he noticed Toto, the baby monkey, he saw that Toto was tied up with a feeding trough. You have to search the meaning. Number 2, scooping, S-C-O-O-P-I-N-G. 3, shreds, S-H-R-E-D-S. 4, annoyance, A-N-N-O-Y-A-N-C-E. And the 5th one is quadruped, Q-U-A-D-R-U-P-E-T. Quadruped, Q-U-A-D-R-U-P-E-D. So these are the 5 words. Now guys, note down the 5 questions on the basis of today's lecture or today's chapter. Question number 1. Who is the author of the story The Adventures of Toto? Who is the author of the story The Adventures of Toto? Question 2. Who bought Toto, capital T, you know very well. Who bought Toto and from whom? Who bought Toto and from whom? Question 3. And from whom means from whom he brought Toto and from whom? Question 3. Why Toto and Nana never became friends to each other? Why Toto and Nana never became friends to each other? 4. Mention any 3 mischiefs of Toto as narrated in the story. Mention any 3 mischiefs, M-I-S-C-H-I-E-F-S. Mention any 3 mischiefs of Toto as narrated in the story. And question number 5. What was the ultimate decision taken by the family members of the narrator about Toto? I repeat, what was the ultimate decision taken by the family members of the narrator about Toto? So guys, you will write the answers on the basis of today's lecture and lesson. I have already discussed before you the content of the story, the synopsis of the story, the author of the story, the characters of the story, the mischiefs of Toto, the activities of Toto. So everything is clear before you except the reading in the textbook. Rest, everything is clear. So guys, on the basis of today's teaching and today's lecture, you solve these 5 questions. So till then, stay home, stay safe. God bless you. Bye-bye.